Here is another very special one, guys. I love these styles because the diamond dust tips, just different, man. Just different. See, this client has very nice teeth. You can always tell by just the way the perfectness of each tooth is just symmetrical and all even, and see the gum lines are just perfect. Nothing's crooked. It's like he just has really good teeth. But shout out to this client. But this one, looking at about $9.80 for something like this. You got the high polished tops on the tips and the bottoms, and then you just leave the tips of all the teeth diamond dusted. One of the questions we're often asked is diamond dust real? No, diamond dust is not real. It's just another form of diamond cuts made using the tip of a diamond, which gives you this shiny pattern. It's just as smooth as the polished. It's not going to hurt your tongue or scratch it or scrape it up or anything of that nature. So don't worry about that. And we're able to ship these things worldwide with perfect fitting too. The way we do that is we get the mold kits, and however many time it takes, we want to make sure we get that mold kit done perfectly. Because once that's done, we can make that grill fit perfectly. Thank you guys for supporting us, guys, and being so positive and like I said, rocking with us. If you need to get a grill, once again, just call our business line. That's 206-250-0833. We'll leave that there for a second so you guys can go ahead and put that in your phone. And once you give us a call, we'll take care of you and go through the whole process. We can either send you, if you want to do a custom piece, we can send you a custom invoice to your phone, or you can purchase something pre-made, or, you know, not pre-made, but the design's already pre-made from on the website. Everything is all custom made to your teeth though. Nothing is pre-made, like as far as the grills. These are not pre-made grills. They're made to your teeth. But thank you guys once again, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all y'all, man. Thank you guys for supporting. One love, everyone. Let me give you guys another gander of these before I get out of here. New location, just open new location. So please come see us, man. Feel free to come support you guys. 100.